means of knowledge, by means of mind, by means of senses.
You should age of Prime Minister
Yeah, there after I
India.
become, I know very well.
So right now you haven't age.
Yeah, so right now I
Become
want to
Prime
become.
Minister.
In future I will become. Who has this spoken right now I will become.
What?
Who has this spoken right now I become. I will become. I will become in future.
Future.
Yeah.
Uh, with whom you will become Prime Minister of India.
With whom? Only I. Only I.
Only I.
Yeah.
Uh,
Because
in accordance whom you want become become Prime Minister of India anything.
what do you want to ask?
But I want to ask question
Listen,
again.
listen. In accordance with you, I will become Prime Minister of India.
In accordance with him, you will become Prime Minister.
What is meaning? You know what is meaning of in accordance with? No, you know.
Yes, I know.
So why is it speaking this step? Because if you know that therefore you won't ask. You won't speak this step.
I know that about you. What are you saying?
No, listen. If you know therefore you won't ask.
No, I know that everything. No.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is-
What is
it
know
is-
that? You know what is know that? What has he spoken?
He has asked in accordance with whom will you become Prime Minister of India?
Yeah.
In accordance with Krishna.
Krishna, you
Yeah.
become.
Yeah.
Who is it? Who is it?
He is Krishna. You
You
don't
know,
know.
listen. Yes, I know that he is Krishna. He knows about politics. He knows about politics.
No. That's
You know,
why
how many
I
times
also listen. I also
India by means of
I
India. I don't know. He doesn't know about politics. So how
I
is
don't
that
know.
by means
I
of
also
politics?
don't know.
You don't. You also don't know how many Krishna.
I will know thereafter I will become.
There are no. He
Yeah.
doesn't know. Don't speak Krishna by means of.
But
Listen, you should.
you know about Krishna, you know about Krishna. Future.
Listen, you should speak Krishna. By means of constitution, I will become Prime Minister.
But he had asked in accordance with whom? He had asked in accordance with whom?
You should speak Krishna in accordance with constitution, I will become.
No, in accordance with Krishna, I
So
will.
how can you that in accordance with Krishna?
I will that because I know
By means
about
of
Krishna.
by means of who is saying that Krishna not having brother. You know that
By
about
means
you.
of Surya sir, I am saying to you.
By means of Surya sir. By
Yeah.
who is Surya sir? No, he is teacher, but he
Yeah.
will become teacher. So how?
But he wanted to become Prime Minister of
No,
India.
then he cannot become Prime Minister. In future he will become the he.
Yeah.
But this time work he is doing.
Thereafter,
Which time work? Listen, which time work he is doing teaching. Teaching. Do you know
Yeah.
what is the rule of teaching? You know that about what is the rule of teaching?
I know.
So just tell me what is the rule of teaching?
Firstly,
Firstly, what is the firstly? What is firstly?
he is teaching you know very well.
Yeah, I know
Why
that what he
asking?
is
Why
teaching very well.
asking?
I know that what he is teaching very well.
Yeah.
But by means of whom he is teaching?
By means of knowledge.
By means of knowledge, which
Yeah.
knowledge he has?
I know more. I know more about Surya.
So you just tell me. Just tell me about Surya.
I don't know more about Surya.
So whatever, listen. Whatever you know about Surya, you just tell me. Whatever you know about
Surya sir is
Surya,
good
just tell me.
teacher because by means of Surya sir, right now I am speaking good English. By means of Surya sir, you are speaking good English.
Yes, I was.
Yeah. So why are you asking? Why are you asking? You know very well, so why are you asking?
No, I know that, but you are saying that about the.
But you should know one thing, na, you are in video, so you should speak on a topic. Why are you passing your time without religion? You should talk on fact, na? Say people are going to watch. But you are talking about Surya sir. He has told he has told to you that Surya sir is my teachers. So why are you going to talk on more? But you have understood Surya. Do you not know about Surya sir?
I know that about that, but he is saying the by means of Surya sir, I will become PR.
Yeah.
हाँ तो he can think ना तो he can speak because when Surya sir will become he's taking everything in future.
Yes, sir.
He's taking everything in
He was
future.
saying according to Krishna, I will become. Who is Krishna sir? You know about Krishna sir?
Brother, you don't know, so why are you asking?
Krishna is able to.
You know.
Krishna can make him become PM.
नहीं कृष्णा can't make him. Krishna can't. It is his fault, na. So you should ask proper way with which your video should be very proper. Say another one is going to listen, beta. Say you all are very senior students. You are not a student. New student is Anand Nepal. No, but Anand can speak here English. No, because he is not. He is very old new student. Say suppose that one girl has come, one boy has come. They cannot speak proper English because they have come for speaking. They have dream. दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव कम उनके पास सपना है इसलिए तो यहाँ पे आए हैं नहीं तो कौन शौक है कहाँ पे जाके बैठेगा तो बट यू हैव डन 1 year
Yes, sir.
right now you are speaking अब you are from dependency in Hindi medium You are in class A. You are speaking. He is from Saint John School. Saint John means ICSC board. No, beta. ICSC. But he cannot manage what we are going to speak in front of anybody else. So people will not tell how to speak good English. We are from UP board, but he can speak good English in front of anyone else. You can ask with him in school. How do you speak good English? Or teacher will not admit. I don't know what is going to understand. If they are understanding or not. Meaning is very apart from to all. कि जो हम बोल रहे हैं क्या समझ रहा है वो उसको पल्ले पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वो भी जानता है इंग्लिश बहुत टफ लैंग्वेज नहीं लेकिन टफ है उतना आसान भी तो नहीं है ना यार जैसे इंग्लिश टफ नहीं है लेकिन अब सबके लिए तो ईजी भी नहीं है ना जो पढ़ा लिखा है उसी के लिए ईजी है जैसे इन विच क्लास आर यू 8 क्लास में हो किस क्लास में तुम हो 4th में हो डबल राउंड है 8 का अबे ही इज फ्रॉम डिपेंसी यू नो व्हाट दिस स्कूल डिपेंसी हाँ बट यू नो व्हाट सेंट जॉन नहीं hey listen but do you know what Saint John do you know Saint John is very good school हाँ it is reputed in market Saint John has a value Saint John पर वैल्यू है बच्चों को पढ़ाने का अंग्रेजी बुलवाने का बट उसके बच्चे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते हैं अब जाकर पता कर लेना उसके बच्चे तेज होते हैं लेकिन इतने तेज नहीं तुमको हरा दे हो इसलिए वो स्पोकन करते हैं वो तो सभी जानते हैं कि स्पोकन में अपना एक अलग एनर्जी होता है व्हेन आई स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट ना जब बच्चे मुझे सुनते हैं ना तो लगता है गजब अंग्रेजी बोल रहा है मैं गजब नहीं बोलता मेरी आदत है मैं गजब कहाँ बोलता हूँ हाँ इट्स माई हैबिट जैसे लड़का भी बच्चा है ना अभी पढ़ता पढ़ता तो तेज हो जाएगा ये लड़का बच्चा है ना भी तो तेज हो जाएगा ये कहाँ पढ़ता है लिटिल फ्लावर से आता है CBSE बोर्ड स्कूल है ये कहाँ पढ़ता है कौन सा स्कूल है टीना में स्कूल है लेकिन अभी इनसे तेज है अनंत से तेज है वो हाँ अनंत कहीं में हो तो अब 5 में हो तो ये कोई नहीं कह सकता क्लास से ये 5 में नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं 2 मिनट बुला के देख लो नहीं आ जाएगा इतना क्यों टैलेंट होता है अब जो जैसे सपोज दैट वी आज बच्चे हमारे पास आ रहे हैं राइट नाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट आर कमिंग टू मी डू यू नो व्हाई
So far as you are concerned, how will you become Prime Minister of India against Krishna? Can you tell me?
Yeah. I will become. I know. I have told, but you are asking, so I will have to tell. I will become. I will become Prime Minister of India by means of skill against you.
But you was speaking again and again in front of all students. I will become Krishna by means of Krishna.
Frequently you are asking, that's why I am speaking. Frequently you are asking, that's why I am speaking.
Yeah, I am asking to. I can ask.
Yeah, you can ask.
Again and again, okay?
Yeah, but frequently you are saying that why are you speaking something you had spoken? Why had you spoken
Yeah.
that?
You had spoken again and again. I will become Prime Minister of
But
India
again and again
by means of Krishna.
Yeah.
You had spoken
No.
of Krishna.
By means of Surya sir, by means of.
I don't know Surya sir, okay?
So doesn't
You
matter
had
why
spoken or
you
not?
I had spoken
You
by
had
means of
spoken or not?
by means of skill. I had
Who is
spoken.
Krishna? Who is Krishna?
Who are you? Who are
Can
you?
you tell me?
Who
Can
are
you tell me
you?
about
Who are
Krishna?
you?
Can you tell me?
Who are you?
I don't know who are you.
So doesn't matter why you are talking to me.
I don't know Krishna.
So why are you talking to me? You proceed.
never thinks मतलब you are in video people are going to watch you cannot speak Urdu you cannot speak this type I don't know myself how can you talk to me
I am talking
you can talk you can talk listen proper you should not speak because you are in camera you are in video
Sir, how can you speak in front of a student? I will become a Prime Minister of India against Krishna. How can you say that, sir? How can you?
you should take answer
Yes, sir. I am asking him. Hello, bro. You are speaking again and again.
Again and again you are asking, that's why I am speaking again and again.
Listen.
What listen? Again and
But
again you are saying that why you are speaking again and again.
You should tell my question.
Yeah.
You are speaking again and again. I will become Prime Minister of India against Krishna. I will become
Only you are Krishna.
PM of Krishna.
Only you are
PM of
Krishna.
India.
Only you are Krishna.
Yeah.
But I am speaking.
Before 2 minutes, you were showing finger. You were showing
But
finger.
he is also Krishna. But I was saying.
But why are you
about
showing?
God.
Why are you showing?
Because he.
Where have you shown you? Where have you
Why
shown you,
am I
bro? Where have you shown you? Where have you shown you?
You don't know.
I don't know.
But sometime ago you were speaking.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
What-
Right now, what are you doing?
what is this?
You are not
What
doing.
is it? It is not. It is not so finger. Okay.
So what is this?
This is a finger. You don't know.
I know this is a hand. Okay.
But I aren't showing to finger this
Yeah,
time. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Only I am asking two questions.
You should ask.
From where will you become Prime Minister of India?
In Mumbai, in Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah.
How can that I will become Prime Minister of India from Mumbai? How can,
I do that, but it's on my mind.
can you tell me about PM? Five.
I don't know about
five-
PM
five-
more.
How
How
can
Right now I don't know, but in future I know. Thereafter I will become. Who has spoken? Right now I will become. Right now I will have to know. Right now I will have to know. Right now I will have to know. Right now I will have to know.
I don't know, but
So why are you saying this time? But why don't know? So why are you saying? Why were you saying? Why don't know? Sometimes you have to say why don't know. Why are you speaking this time? You don't know. Right now I will have to know. So why are you speaking this time?
so why are you
Are you
speaking
thinking more
about?
or not?
Yeah, I am.
So why are you thinking more?
We cannot think more.
He can think, but he is taking more time.
How he
Or
can
what?
take, no? Who are
But
you speaking this
I
time?
think sir, he was not bringing on. That's why he.
I think you're not doing my work. I think क्या होता है? क्यों सर नीचे करे? What are you doing? Bending your way. मतलब you cannot figure out ना. So for understanding or not, if you know your job. Your job is to clear that think about your property, not about everybody ना.
So
you are
for-
coming here for the sake of your future or our future. That I want to ask this question.
So for us, you will become Prime Minister of India somehow or the other.
So for
After that, what will you do? After that, what will you do?
I will steal of India.
I will
Yeah,
speak of
I will sell India.
how can you sell India?
I can sell because in future I will become India. So then
So for us, you can't sell. You can't sell India somehow or the other. Okay?
if I will become
You
PM,
don't-
I can sell. I can sell. If I will become
How can you sell?
If I will become Prime Minister of India, thereafter I can sell. Okay?
ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा? ठीक है को.
From classes, I am from class 9. I did my school. When I was in Mangalore, I am learning journalism from classes. Students that from others, I wrote for I am good speaker. That's all.
Good speak.
ये लोग सर ये क्या करते हैं सर?
Development.
You will not take
Okay?
What will I do?
You should speak full introduction in front of all students. Okay?
I will not speak.
Who are you?
You should speak full introduction somehow or the other.
Just tell me. What is in the
You should stand properly.
Okay, just tell me.
Not best to be standing here.
What is my entire dialogue? What is the meaning of the dialogue? पूरे जीवन का. So, how will you use this word?
Why are you asking me this kind of question?
You can ask because you had his presentation. We can ask.
He can ask
You are
a
speaking.
question.
You are in this
I'm
style.
not speaking.
Okay?
I'm not speaking.
You are speaking.
When I have spoken. When I have spoken.
Yeah?
When I have spoken.
Sometime
That time
ago.
you had spoken.
When I have spoken.
Now that time
You have proof.
you have spoken.
Yeah, sometime ago you had his presentation. That's all.
I said you should listen properly.
We are listening properly, but you are not listening properly. That's what we are not
I
listening
think you are not
properly.
listening.
Listen. If you will listen,
I will.
if you will listen properly, thereafter we will have to listen properly. Okay? If you are not listening properly, that's why we are not listening properly.
Don't I know that.
So why are you speaking this time? You are not listening properly.
You are
We
not
are listening properly,
That's why
but
I'm
you are
saying
not
you are
listening
not listening.
properly.
Brother.
We are listening. You whatever you are speaking, we are listening. And you will teach me. You will teach us.
Yes, I will teach you.
Who are you? Who are
You
you?
don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't matter. You don't know. Doesn't matter. You should know.
I know.
Without know, you don't ask me. Okay.
I know that. No, without.
Brother, for 2 minutes. Brother, you were speaking that I don't know you.
Yeah, I don't know you.
Without no, don't ask me. Okay.
No, this time I am talking to you.
So you talking to me. So you were saying that I don't know you. I
You
don't.
will teach us. You will teach us.
Yes, I will.
Who are you?
Definitely I will.
Listen,
You don't know.
you teach
Who are you?
to
Don't know, brother.
Yeah, I don't know.
You should know about it.
I shouldn't know about it.
So doesn't matter, yeah. Doesn't matter. You should know when you do. When
Brother, this matter.
doesn't matter.
So brother, what will become in future?
I will, brother. I have not thought. When I will become.
Why?
When thought I will.
Why?
You will
When I
have
thought I will
to
take.
okay think about you haven't thought.
Yes, I haven't thought.
You haven't thought.
Yes.
So brother, you haven't thought. So which type? Which type? Suppose that anyone can ask to you that what will you become, so you will tell me in future. I will tell you. Suppose that he will die.
So doesn't matter, yeah. He will die.
He will die. He will die. He will die. How will you tell? How will you tell him? How will you tell him?
Brother, I haven't thought, so how will I tell you?
Suppose that you should
Brother, don't suppose
you should
that.
speak
Because
anything.
my
You
teacher.
should speak anything.
My
No,
teacher.
which subject do you like?
Which subject? I don't read a subject. Only I read English.
English.
Yes.
You
Which English do
always
you read?
listen. You always you're accustomed to read English.
Yes.
So just tell me about the English.
What? Brother, but I know that.
What is mean that
What's the
English?
meaning of
No, you should speak carefully. What thing you should speak?
Brother, why thinking I was saying?
No, you are
Brother,
what
you
is
should
You
listen.
are spoken
Bus.
boss.
What
Why
is the
are
bus?
spoken boss?
What is speaking bus?
That is what I am speaking, brother.
Right now we are
I saw
speaking
That is what I am
boss.
saying. That is what is means of that. That is what. That is what. What is means of that? What is okay? I am speaking about. Bus. What is means of? What is speaking Hindi? What is going on here? What is going on here?
Because you don't know that is why I am speaking.
No, what is going on here? What is going on here?
You should know.
You should speak English.
I think you don't know. You don't know that is why I am speaking Hindi. Brother,
No,
that's
we
why
know.
it's a problem.
Oh my God.
That's what. You should speak this and that's what I am speaking. That's what. Okay.
That is what.
Nahi.
It is not. It is wrong.
Yeah,
That
It is
not
right. It is right.
Huh?
That.
What? You are
Why are you
speaking
speaking Hindi? Listen.
Sometimes you go. You are spoken boss.
Listen. You have proof. You have you should accept whatever I have proof.
I have proof.
I am moving.
But sometimes you
Who
are
are
spoken.
you? I cannot believe. Brother.
So it doesn't matter who is saying to me.
No, nobody is saying to me that I can believe over you. That
But it doesn't matter, brother. I am proof, brother. You should know.
you prove.
Yes, I am
You
proof.
type proof.
Yes, I
that
am
you are
proof.
going
Which type of happen? Are
Which
you?
type proof have you? Which type proof have you?
No, no. Which type
Just,
proof
just,
are you?
listen.
Which
Just,
type proof are you?
just as you are looking, in the same way I have proof.
Just as I am looking, you are speaking as sir. What is speaking, sir?
Which type are
But
you?
when I am spoken sub, in
Boss.
the same way, I am speaking in the same way.
Bus.
Sir.
He is speaking bus.
You should organize.
What is this of organize? You know that
Wait,
about
so what is it now? So what is the means of
organize.
I'm organizing
No,
organize.
why?
I'm asking my teacher, don't
You can ask.
I'm asking my teacher.
How are you?
I am fine. What were you with this?
I am also fine.
So she was fine.
Just you are looking in the same way I am fine.
I know that, brother.
So what is that? You know, so I am asking.
Brother, I know because you are saying that just as you are good, that is in the same way I am good.
No, just I am speaking. I had spoken this time. You should listen properly. Thereafter you
Brother,
should speak.
when you will speak English, so that you are good.
No.
So
Who has spoken? If I will speak English, thereafter I am good.
you are saying that I am speaking. That is why I am good.
No. I had spoken this time. I haven't spoken. When I spoken English, thereafter I am
So
good.
why are you speaking?
Yeah. It's my problem. Okay, I will hear. What am I speaking?
Okay, doesn't matter. So brother, can you tell me about your coaching?
Yeah, you don't know.
Brother, tell
Coaching
me.
is very good.
Only
Yeah.
coaching is very good.
What's happened?
So brother, that is very happy. That is why I am asking.
Okay, so you should ask.
Okay. So why have you come here?
For the sake of speaking and for the sake of speaking good English and creating English.
So
Creating.
okay. So how is your teacher? So, brother, can you tell me about your teacher?
Yeah. You should listen. You should look.
Brother, I look, but
Yeah.
I know that I want to know about your teacher.
My teacher is teacher.
I know that brother, your teacher is teacher.
Yeah, but
But-
you sometimes we had asked what is your teacher.
When I was spoken, what is your teacher?
Sometimes you go.
When I was spoken, when I have spoken, I have spoken. I want to know your teacher.
Yeah, if you wanted to know, I wanted to tell
So tell
what.
about your teacher. About
You ask there.
brother, I will ask. What? Can
What do
tell
you
me?
want to listen about my teacher?
Listen.
What do you want to listen about my teacher?
How is English spoken, your teacher?
How is English?
How can be English spoken?
Why are you speaking this type? Because I haven't this, so you shouldn't speak this type.
How can your teacher be English spoken?
I'm not being you, bro.
You are not being English.
Yeah.
So that can-
You know very well, so why are you speaking this type?
How can your teacher be English?
No,
spoken?
sometimes you go and spoken. How can we?
Spoken English.
How can we?
That time you had spoken, how can your teacher be English? What is the meaning of that? Are you mad?
Yes.
Are you mad?
No, I'm not bad.
So what
What
is
am I looking?
What is means of
What-
what is
what-
it?
what-
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Don't know.
I don't know.
So doesn't matter. Don't interrupt.
No, he can interrupt you.
You whatever you think you will speak.
Yes, I will speak.
Oh my God. Where are
What
you
am I-
getting?
brother?
No. Where are you getting? You know that what is?
Brother, my teacher
Where?
is not speaking. So who are you?
No. Whatever you are thinking you will speak.
Yes, I will speak.
Who are you?
Brother,
Who are you? You know about this coaching rule?
you don't know about me.
I know about it. Sir, he is speaking wrong, sir.
So,
Sir, he's not accepting. You should accept.
okay, I'm accepting my bad.
I should hear yourself. What am I speaking?
Okay,
Speak.
sir, leave this matter.
Talk.
Talk.
So ask me, brother.
In which class will you be?
I read 9. I read 9.
But why, bro? You should read 10th class and 8th class. Why reading only 9th class?
It is, brother, don't ask this matter.
But why, bro?
But this type, why are you asking this type question?
I can ask because which type question my mind is thinking. This type question I will ask.
Because before 1 year I had passed, so that is why I read 9.
I told you should read 9th class.
I am telling to you, brother.
Who has told you to read 9th class?
My teacher.
But your teacher?
Yes.
Which teacher? What is the name? Is your teacher?
Mr. Kamlesh. You don't know about this person.
No, why are you speaking this time? I should know. I know very well. I should know.
Brother, you should
I
know
should
that.
know. But I know very well, so I should
So
know.
doesn't matter. It is my job. I will tell you that is why.
No, how is that it is your job?
Brother, it is my
Who
job.
has,
Because
who has
you-
told you
brother,
it is your
this-
job?
Huh?
Who has told you it is your job?
It is my job.
How is that? Who has told? I am asking to you. Why are you speaking this time?
My
It
teacher.
is my job.
My teacher.
No, you are speaking totally. Has told you. So it is your job.
Yes, it is my job.
What is your job? What is your job?
I wanted to know. It
What
is-
wanted you?
What are you asking again? I can speak.
What is your job?
He cannot speak again. He cannot speak again.
Who are you,
No.
brother?
He cannot speak again. You should listen properly, na? You should listen properly, na?
Why are you speaking now? Why are you
Brother.
speaking now? Don't speak.
You know that about
Brother, you don't know how to speak English, so don't speak.
No, I don't.
So what type of English speak? No, I'm not a problem. What is your problem?
He can speak again.
What is your problem?
No, you should listen. You should listen.
What is the problem?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
So why are you asking
How
me
many times
quickly?
you are listening? Why are you speaking again?
Because I had forgot that is
But
why.
why? But why?
If
You have
you
forgot.
listen, how will you forgot?
I had forgot. I had not forgot.
Forgot.
Ah,
What is forgot?
Because my mind is thinking My mind was thinking that.
What?
What
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 is your
was
mind
your mind thinking?
I will not tell you.
What do I-
actually,
what do I-
so this is what is going on. You know that about it.
I know that.
You should talk to him. Don't think more. Yeah.
Without
Don't
how
think
will I
more.
speak English?
No, you should, whatever he is asking, you should listen his word.
Thereafter you will see. You should say. I have also forgotten. You should have asked.
Ask me, brother.
You should ask. I have told to you.
What you told?
You should ask. I have spoken this time.
Okay. Sir, thank you so much for watching my video. So like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching my video. You should like and subscribe this video because I have to do a lot of do hard work. That's why I'm saying.